Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to see calories burned on Ultrahuman ring. So what you need to do is open up the Ultrahuman app on your phone and then scroll down a little bit where you see core metrics and then movement. And here is combined total steps and total calories. So if you click on this movement then and scroll down a little bit, you will see contributors, activity, and total calories. So active plus resting calories. And yeah, you can click on that. And as you can see, you will see now how you basically burn calories. So you will have energy burned from workouts, walking, and physical movement, and energy your body burns naturally at rest just to keep you alive. And then is some combined sum of your active and BMR calories for the day. Then you have also here daily, weekly, monthly, yearly. So yeah, you will see how on a graph how your burning calories is going on. And yeah, this is pretty much it, how you can see how much calories you burned in a day, week, month. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next.